So England and America. So what English do you know?
The eyelash white.
That's why we should not take plane and go to England and America, you know, because why you think the England, you know.
But black man no fear, you know, that's it, you know, that's black man go there, you know.
Simple
Black man
that.
no fear.
Black man are not coward.
I don't know what black
As
man
what my father say, it's a lucky thing say man not coward.
I don't know what black man endure already. Endure the English already. They
Yes.
The French, the Spanish.
Because are the same Englishman.
And they're still there.
Are the same Englishman build America, you know? Are the same Englishman left England and inhabit the Iraq and the Indian land of England, you know? America and build America and turn it in a white people country, you know? Same thing in Australia again, you know? Are the same English people them go to Australia go inhabit the desert land and build it and turn it in a white man world, you know? Because people believe say Australia was just so. England, when England prison too full, the Queen said, we have to find somewhere to do this, the prison of them. And they go to Africa to build prison down there and Australia go build prison. And that ship where African go down there and white people.
So where do you learn your history?
So you already read them yesterday in a book.
Yeah.
Yes. I learn. I'm not, but me listen news, me listen international news too.
Yeah.
And me get a lot of teaching from a lot of people. When me not just sit down and listen to people and listen to food, me listen wise counseling. If you know say all Australia was desert land. Millions and millions of acres of land lie down in a desert. And in those days the English have them in control under the monarchy empire. But yeah, the problem where the world has suffered with today. England and America control the vast amount of the world the world have. You know, see what Donald Trump do right now, man? He oppose any amount of sanction on China. Because here what we China beat them with now. Technology. The most advanced country you have in the world right now with technology is England, you know. There is no country in this world have the technology where England have. As simple as it is. No man.
China and Japan have
Not even China no have it.
China have it.
No man. No man.
The Chinese have it, man.
The Chinese, they must step up now. But the Chinese,
they step up. They have it.
I'll give you a listen this.
Kevin have it. The
English.
Chinese have it.
The English in England right now, you see? If you lie down in your bedroom and have sex with your wife, a man can sit down and watch you on a computer. In England. They have the most advanced technology in the world today.
Chinese have it too bad.
So the Chinese now realize now. So that's why you see my boy down in China now. He link up with England now and China bypass America. Can we depend on the China let's say you know so we know all these things.
But wait, I'm going to give you one place where you never mentioned, you know who have one of the most advanced technology? Israel.
Israel?
She's hard girl. Israel.
You see?
Well, I'm not going to disagree with you, but I have a different spin for everything.
America supply Israel with ammunition.
I have a different spin for what I say.
And what you think a country depend? What you think when a country says
it's the other way around.
Ammunition.
No. Israel run America.
No man.
Jews can't do that because they're wealthy.
No man.
Look at
Look here.
Jews are wealthy, no.
Any man
Jewish.
Israel
any man we can feed. Any man we can feed the world.
No, that's a hit.
America can feed the world.
No. As far as political and making Israel have power in a ways where people don't even begin to understand.
No, but look at.
That's why I said to you,
Simple.
Israel is one of the most advanced technologically, and people don't know this.
Yes,
they're so advanced, and they will never tell you.
Never tell you.
You will never know.
They keep it a secret.
You have to see these things in the movies, you know. There's a movie that come out, and the man them in Israel, them build a wall. So when the demons them a come, and them say, how come only didn't know?
So we are come.
Said the disease I broke out. Let me tell you something, man. We have a plan.
Then we do it as political.
Let me tell you something.
Jews rich enough. These people rich enough.
You see, when you talk about Hollywood, them run that.
They're not that
You see me?
No, we was
Then the Hollywood run America. Find Jewish run America. Oh God, man. You know
So let me tell you something.
I Jews one question in Jamaica, you know?
And this is why when them do something, Americans say nothing because them a pull the string.
Oh.
And them a pull the string.
Okay.
I know America is Israel, you know.
Okay.
America is Israel.
Oh. Okay.
You see what I say?
Yes.
Jewish.
So when you put your thing in place, you know, nobody can say nothing. Because we own the diamond mines, and we own the real estate,
Yes.
and we own the newspaper them,
Yes.
we own media.
Yes.
So you know, then if we do something, we're not gonna say nothing.
The media.
What is America? Remember saying no. America is media, you know.
Yes.
So who run media?
Jewish
Israel.
people run media. Then it's done.
So you see what I said?
You have media, you have the people, you know. You
have everything, you have the power.
The people and the people and the power.
So no. Why you? But wait. Why you think? Then why you think Donald Trump say fake news? Because you say him and them are no friend. So sometimes people keep saying bad Donald Trump, but them not understand the bigger picture.
The bigger picture.
So you have the knights.
And
Wait. You have the knights, you have the lords, and then you have the Trump, which is more linked with the Russians.
Yes.
So the knights are from England, and then you have the lords, the bankers are from Israel, right? The bankers. And them run the world.
Money run the world.
You see that, Baba?
Yes.
So all the IMF and all them things there, and all of the loan and the interest rate and the taxes, you're talking about bankers. Now you're talking about Israel. You see, now the landowners are the knights from London. The Israel own the real estate and them deal with the banking. The knights own a lot of real estate too. And then the knights them own the churches with the Roman Catholic. You see? So now who own the mind of the people? The Roman Catholic, the Italians.
Yes.
Now the Italians own the minds of the blacks. All people in the world, the Italians own the mind.
Yes.
The knights them own the land. Now you know who do the biggest weapon trade? Sweden. So now weaponry is another group. So weaponry in one group, oil in one group, real estate in one group. And I might be saying something wrong, but the viewers them know what I said. And then now, media is another group.
A big group.
And the bankers.
The biggest group.
So the bankers and the media them in sync.
Yes.
Now here come Donald Trump, an independent. In my traffic, they just take out of the big cake. So what these people been doing, you know, them power players, you know, the Rothschilds and the Kennedys and the Rockefellers and the Clintons, and the one them, the Halliburtons with the oil. All of them now have the piece of the cake. So now when it comes to technology and software, you have the Gates them and the Warren Buffetts them now.
Yes.
So now, and then you have the Jew now where is also Facebook.
Yes.
Okay? So now let's look at the bigger picture now. So here come Donald Trump. Him is a little fish, you know. A little real estate boy.
A big pan.
And you know when him run against Hillary Clinton, guess what now? Hillary Clinton make a mistake because the people them never like him kind corrupt. And him go hate it, go mash it up, you know.
Hillary?
Yes, for him family now, because them are one of the players too. And at them now, go mash up the thing with 3 strikes they out with the Clintons and lock up all the black people. So them have blood on them hands.
So the people them
The people that know say them have blood upon them hands. And she corrupt, you know.
Yes.
The one them corrupt, you know, Bridget. So it's a cake you look upon, you know.
Yes.
So when Donald Trump said, boy, Donald Trump has sleep with Russians for years, you know. The man, you know,
In a bed with the Russians
for years, man.
Yes.
So when Donald Trump get a chance now, the Russian them take over Facebook and rig and start put ads out.
Yes.
You see me?
Well, we see
And deal with the thing. Media. So now are the Russians now coming from the Jew?
Yes.
Are the Russians now don't say, yo, only one media, but we're going to infiltrate it. And are the Russians then now infiltrate the media to make Donald Trump
win the
get the points?
election. Yes.
Good.
Yes.
So now him a try to get a part of the pie now.
Yes.
So nobody no like him.
No, sir.
Cause now him say, you know what, una fake news coming, no or no.
Yes.
So when him say fake news, you know, oh, you better believe him, you know. You better believe when a lot of people don't understand what Donald Trump mind, you know. Them don't understand who him a fight, you know. Him just want to get a piece of cake for himself.
That's all. That's all.
You see me? But the powers that be, them not pretty, you know.
No, sir.
Them not pretty, you know. So when people say Donald Trump no good, them ever talk about the power will come before him?
Yes.
Before him.
Are the powers
They push
behind
them.
him?
Come by saying just to come there now.
Oh, God, man. Donald Trump a little fish, you know. He might try to get a little piece of the thing.
Yeah.
So now here with Donald Trump say no with him boys them now. Alright, we can change Supreme Court. So now that's when you see the liberals them, the Jews them are going to say, Lord God.
And that's the big thing.
Why?
Them are change the Supreme
Why?
Court.
The,
Come on, they feel life.
the media them a fight him like say no.
Yes.
Him do this. So look how them take out Bill Cosby. Boom.
Just like that.
Anybody will brush. You see them a try to say the youth now, him go touch a woman in high school. Supreme Court.
Yes.
So them a go after Donald Trump. Truth. But you see him is a kind of warrior with them never see before. You know much man get fired? Much corruption. Him say fake news and I idiot. The man play smokes and mirror. Him a play them game. No man. You see that man like Donald Trump, you have to just look on him and see him as one of them, but at least him a kick them in the bars. Him a kick them.
Kick them
You see the little thing where regular American attack, oh you racist, you this. You think him care?
Not here.
Him know who him a fight against.
Yeah.
Him want a piece of the pie.
That him want.
Obama get a piece of the pie now.
Yes.
You know how much PR Obama get from LGBT crews? You see, everybody will go in and get a PR, you know.
Everybody will go in
Every
and get
president.
They push them get the aisle, you know.
Yes.
Okay?
So
what Donald Trump want? Him say, alright, Russia, now we are going to run this. Make we see, we are going to take a pipeline from Yasso to Yasso.
Yes.
So he try to set up him son.
Yes.
It's all about the son, you know. So Donald Trump go to North Korea and say, alright, because the Russia and North Korea and Donald Trump are trying to set up something for the afterlife.
For the afterlife.
After everybody at work, for say when them left, what me I go get?
Where me I go get?
Bush did it,
Yeah.
Clinton did it, Obama did it on a low,
Obama do it.
but the liberals with the Obama team, a liberal, everybody buy out Obama and support him. But nobody has ever been like Trump. The whole Jewish media turn him up, God. They never had an attack like Trump. Trump not like them.
A surprise.
Surprise, they ain't get no
Them get surprised.
You know the man them say, the man them say, Trump make history, you know, man. Because there is no other president had ever
Kick them in the bars.
kick them in the bars like what this man are doing, you know, for the man enter in a North Korea, make North Korea step in.
And you see the thing is, they don't care about no peace, you know.
You don't care about no peace, man. The man not about no peace, you know.
It's piece of the cake.
It's peace and the pie, him a look.
When you look on the Rothschild, and then you look on Trump now, try to put him legacy for him family. A billions them want them grand picnic for making them. Look on the Bush, you think them poor? You think the Clintons them poor? Obama just signed a $70 million movie deal with Netflix.
70 million
Something like
US
that.
dollar.
Million US.
You think say Obama them poor?
They're not poor.
Them a come out with nothing.
But Obama, they don't have any money before he even go in politics. I remember say Obama was shit boy, you know, man.
Him team up with the bankers.
Team up with the bankers there.
That's so.
Bankers can give America.
Top of night, man. Where you some
Bankers
man?
and the media.
Them
link up.
corrupt.
Bankers, them come. And the bankers them put Obama as president. You know?
Yes.
Corruption starts from Harvard University.
Yeah.
Corruption starts from Yale University.
Alright.
Skulls and bones.
Alright, which boy them are this then go?
You see, once you come out of Harvard and them say, alright, we'll go back that one, yeah.
Yes.
You don't seal, you know.
You see?
No, me.
You set, man.
Guess who they love, Bama? Media. They never say nothing bad about him. Nothing. So when Trump come in and say, well, the passport, they want to see it. Want to see the birth certificate. I'm saying, easy on my youth. No, I want to see it. I want to see the media say, easy on my youth. Because Obama and the media in a bed.
Obama, man. But still, you know, you see.
Media.
The thing I say with Obama, still, you know. Me no disrespect for Obama as a black man. Because when you look upon it, he's a black man. And he make the goal. He make it. Even if he make some food now, as a black man, where the world,
everybody will get them peace.
where the world never expect. Say,
Yeah.
a black man would name the food out of the white man hand.
Yeah.
Not true.
Yeah, I
The
mean,
world never expect that.
much respect to him. But here's what. You see, one thing a lot of black men don't understand, you know. You see, when you play this game, Obama was not sharky enough. Him not strategically backhanded enough. When you play upon this, look what Trump can do. Reverse every damn thing him do.
Yes.
So Obama didn't put him thing deep enough.
He never shark.
He might try to play with Constitution. You can't play with Constitution when you do them thing, you know.
Well, that's true. No, but he come soft.
Him come soft.
He come soft. Obama come soft.
Soft.
So yeah, so you never buy people.
No, you me say, man.
No, he come soft.
You me say. Perfect example. If you want to change the community in a black neighborhood, you have to do things from the grassroots where you know nobody can change.
When nobody can.
Figure out something where them can't change quick. Figure it out. Make it so
it hard.
complicated.
Yes, that's what you are putting it. It must
So
be
Trump just come in and just say, alright, no,
We don't want them.
no. Everything the man do,
I repeal it.
the man just take it away.
Kick them out of there.
And then you say to yourself, me know say it in office, you know, me respect you, you know, me love say that black president and everything.
But anyway, what you do, me not appreciate it.
Now lads get the smoke in this system. So you have the garlic
And the onion. I fry the chicken.
fry the chicken.
But you see, when you fry the chicken with the
I put that
onion,
Alice. Baba, you know, so I caught that oil for you, you know. I caught that
see
oil.
back to this.
Once you said, no, if you use vegetable oil, man, no, this will kill you.
This is
No,
vegetable oil.
don't do it.
No,
Only
you
coconut
see
oil.
leaders eye. You see leaders eye.
No.
Something they make leaders eye. Look one in the man. A vegetable make leaders eye.
I know, but don't use vegetables because when you add heat to vegetable, it causes problems. You add heat to make it. Coconut is the only oil you must use,
Coconut eye.
or olive, I think.
But
But do
you
not
know.
use vegetable or corn. Don't use it.
But the problem with me now,
Coconut expensive, you say?
coconut oil is very expensive.
We have to start make it ourselves, man.
So we have to go start making it ourselves.
Do you know how to make it?
You know?
You know how to make coconut oil, Denny? Baba, the coconut.
No, but what me I say now, the
co-
high cholesterol when the coconut when this a vegetable oil. That's why I put the garlic in it.
No, but
Because the garlic kill everything.
Kill it, but trust me when I tell you.
You know what I say now, but
So-
that's
so-
why you see me put so much garlic in it.
But just
The
keep
garlics
putting
now.
yeah, help to cut it down.
The garlic cut it up. So you know
So
really
make
affect
us
you.
see. So when you win them for the kitchen, you don't put winner in there.
You win that, man. But we don't want to win that because the soon come out.
Where the smoke go? Where your chimney there?
See that. But through the way that black up, me lock up it.
The smoke will mess up your eye now.
But through the way that
There you go.
anytime you do this now.
Yeah, man. The smoke will mess up your eye, man.
See that now.
There you go.
So everything will come out through here.
No, man. Me only stick with you, no, man. Me nah put no camera on by the face. I don't know this. You know me, I said, Denny.
The onion and the garlic, you know. That's why I fry my chicken with garlic, you know. Lots of garlic when I fry chicken. You see it?
Yeah.
So therefore, though the oil look good to me, but the garlic kill everything.
Okay.
Because your mother tell me say anytime I cook,
Yeah.
put in whole heap of garlic in it. So see there that me do.
Mm-hmm.
One pick of garlic.
So when you put for the chicken, you have MSG for the chicken?
I mean have MSG.
You have MSG in the season?
You
know good enough?
MSG. No man, MSG no in the man. See MSG here man.
Where you have MSG in the kitchen now though?
See MSG here. You see this now MSG, if me a boil soup, I put little bit in there.
Why you have MSG in your kitchen?
But people say it's not good for the body.
So why you still have it?
But you buy it today.
Don't buy that. Denny, no more MSG.
No more.
No more, man.
See to buy this.
Because you're a naturalist, you know.
We use it for the chicken.
So what you put in the chicken? What you see?
So we put onion and garlic and pepper.
Yeah.
And little bit of all-purpose. See there? Natural chicken. All-purpose. Onion, garlic, and pepper, and little bit of all-purpose.
You know what my virgin them tell me say?
Let me show you all-purpose.
You know what my virgin tell me say then they say pepper not good for you. The sprinkle pepper them say no good for you, know. You know good for man.
Which sprinkle pepper?
You know regular black
no,
pepper.
black pepper. You don't use black pepper.
We never know that.
We don't use black pepper. Me not use it.
We never know that. It black up you, know.
No, black pepper.
It black up man, you know.
You don't use black pepper, man. Me use country pepper. Me use
Just
tree
real pepper.
And you don't use the ripe one either.
You don't use
Anytime the pepper ripe, nobody use it again.
No?
No, it's not good for you.
A green?
The green one.
Why not good for
Because
you?
the ripe pepper give you pipe. Anytime the pepper ripe, they say we give you pipe. But the green one not do you nothing. So look for me now. Green pepper.
I pay a green pepper you have?
Yeah. So you see like this one now? Me not use it.
You not use that?
Me take it out and dash it.
Answer to me. What is pile?
Something will grow in your bottom.
Oh really?
Yes man.
Okay.
So I don't use ripe pepper. I don't eat ripe pepper none at all.
None at all?
None at all. I don't use ripe pepper.
So how come mommy I use ripe pepper in her pepper sauce?
No, but I him want use it. But you don't use the ripe one.
Lord God, man, you
And
have
the
to
green
tell
one
me.
if you use.
Green pepper I use, man.
How come you never tell me that? You must tell the whole family,
Oh, you
man.
mean say
We
we
need
never
to put
tell
you
you
on WhatsApp, you know, for
What
the
do you mean say we
family.
never tell you that?
You know, in phone can do
You know, for
WhatsApp.
you-
So we have to go buy the phone for him.
Anytime the pepper ripe on the tree. You see this?
Yeah.
Me pick it come here green but see that turn ripe in the fridge. So anytime me tree to ripe stage, you know, but I use it again. Me done with them.
Where did you learn about this
See that?
pile thing?
Them me not have it too.
And people tell you say that cause it?
Yes! Doctor tell us say pepper give you pie. Ripe pepper.
Ripe pepper?
Yeah.
I never know that.
This is when if you use the pepper when they ripe. Cause
No
it give
years
you pie.
enough Jamaica use ripe pepper.
Yeah, but them a use it, but you see, Jamaican people no matter nothing but no sickness, they must go and them a use it. But there, anyway, if you use ripe pepper, anytime you got tired it, you see, the bottom burn you like I say.
So I say green, you put green and go to that?
No!
And then pick up pepper.
And I ask me, I ask you. I tell you that.
You know the pick up pepper, pepper, sauce pepper.
The pickle one?
Yes.
When they
you
put
put
vinegar
that-
in it
Yes.
and it ripe and all
Yes.
of that.
No, man.
No?
If you use it on your body,
That's how you got that.
you use it on your body, my bun, you can't pass the
and
feces.
it a mess up.
Ripe pepper, kasi.
Lord, man.
Don't use no red pepper.
Green pepper,
A green pepper me use. See them here? And anytime they in a sun they get ripe, me no bother me tap use it.
Me never know that.
And you know if you use the seed neither, then say you know.
I you know for you the seed now then. I skin if you
The
use.
seed give you it's whole in your lungs, I think. You good on your lungs.
Yeah?
Yeah. So you cut off the skin,
Yeah.
that's where you seed.
I skin if you use it and the seed.
Not
and
the
pepper,
seed.
you know.
Yeah, yeah.
And the seed of the pepper hot too, you know, if you understand. I hit at the hottest part. You know.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So you know use the seed, you use the skin.
Skin and pepper we use, you know, use the seed part.
So how much you pay for your chicken?
This a chicken. A chicken that cost me $1,120. One chicken.
So no good woman there on you for marry, for me marry.
But you know I'm married.
Hey, me I get old no baba.
No, me not talk about you don't
Now
go
45 you know.
the hungry decision we me not make for no man. Me no business, not even my picking of them. If you look no woman give them or no woman give them. Make your decision yourself. So you can find a woman in Africa.
Denny, I look on the rum, you know. A rum you want to go drink off, you know. A rum you want to go drink off, you know.
Man, true juice me I drink, man.
You know, say, we're not going to bring the rum up there, so Denny will drink off the rum.
No, man, I know that's rum me fire, me I tell you.
You was rum me fire before.
No.
I'm going to bring my weed up so you not get...
Me have more than weed, so me don't
You have more than weed?
Yeah.
You have more than
I have
weed?
more than weed. Me have more than liquor, me drink liquor.
You drink liquor now?
Yeah. So, when me see liquor, me no fright.
I remember going to give you the clothes I bring for you. I want to Denny me bring something for you now.
Me no fright.
You have my money, right? I have money for Baba.
Who?
I have money for him.
Who have money?
Baba?
I have money for you from them.
Then give me that, no, man.
No, I have to go with Denny.
Then go and I'll come back now. So no, so what are we? So we ask about the liquor now.
And me and you, man, they not to drink none of that.
We have, Denny,
But Pokey can't one back up.
Denny,
You
we
can't
have
drink
1
so
quarter apple than
much. Yeah, so what you going to tell me? Say,
and we have half quarter rum.
For me and you, not
Yeah.
him.
So what I say about now? And the money me want to know because I have a business to fix
Me
some
go
money
for the
later.
money.
So go and I'll come. Me have fried chicken for you.
Yeah.
The Appleton has to be father and the dread. The dread.
It's nice down there, so man.